Hello and welcome today. We're showing you how to insert and format a microSD in your GoPro Hero 11 Black. It's easy and straightforward, so let's get started. First, let's insert the microSD card. Your GoPro has a slot for the microSD card, usually next to where the battery goes. Open the small door on the side to access the slot. Take your microSD card with the metal pins facing the lens and gently slide it into the slot until it clicks. Now let's format the card right on the GoPro. Turn on your GoPro. Swipe down on the screen to find Preferences, and tap on it. In Preferences, scroll down to find For Reset, tap on it. Net Format SD card. Tap on it and confirm to format. And that's it, your GoPro Hero 11 Black is now ready. With a freshly inserted and formatted microSD card. Simple, right? Now go ahead and capture those amazing moments without worrying about storage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.